Title: Monetizing your blog, Strategies for earning money from blogging. Description: Are you passionate about writing and sharing your knowledge and experiences with the world? If so, blogging can be an excellent avenue for not only expressing yourself but also earning a substantial income. In this video, we'll explore various strategies and methods to monetize your blog effectively. From advertising and sponsored content to affiliate marketing and digital products, we'll cover a range of opportunities to help you turn your blog into a profitable venture. Get ready to unlock the potential of your blog and start earning money doing what you love. Outline: Introduction to blog monetization. Explanation of the concept of blog monetization. Overview of the potential benefits and opportunities in earning money from blogging. Creating high-quality content. The importance of producing valuable, engaging, and well-written content. Tips for identifying your target audience and catering to their needs. Utilizing effective writing techniques and storytelling to captivate readers. Display advertising, 430. Introduction to display advertising networks, for example, Google AdSense. Explaining ad placement and optimization for maximum revenue. Best practices for balancing user experience and ad visibility. Sponsored content and brand partnerships. Understanding sponsored content and how it works. Building relationships with brands and negotiating sponsored collaborations. Maintaining transparency and authenticity in sponsored content. Affiliate marketing. Introduction to affiliate marketing and affiliate networks. Identifying suitable affiliate products and programs. Incorporating affiliate links effectively within blog posts and recommendations. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, etc. Creating and selling digital products related to your niche. Choosing the right format, ebooks, online courses, templates, etc. Setting up payment gateways and delivery systems. Offering services, consulting, coaching, freelancing, etc. Leveraging your expertise and offering services to your audience. Identifying in-demand services within your niche. Promoting your services and attracting clients through your blog. Membership sites and subscription-based content. Exploring the concept of membership sites and exclusive content. Determining the value proposition for your membership offering. Implementing subscription models and managing member benefits. Sponsored events and speaking engagements. Leveraging your blog's authority to secure speaking engagements. Collaborating with event organizers and sponsors. Promoting and monetizing events through your blog. Utilizing email marketing and newsletters. Building an email list and nurturing subscriber relationships. Implementing effective email marketing strategies. Monetizing your email list through promotions and exclusive content. Optimizing for search engines, SEO. Understanding the basics of search engine optimization. Implementing SEO techniques to increase organic traffic. Leveraging keyword research and on-page optimization for monetization. Tracking, analyzing, and scaling. utilizing analytics tools to track blog performance and revenue, analyzing user behavior and engagement metrics, scaling your monetization strategies based on data-driven insights. Conclusion and next steps. Recap of the monetization strategies covered in the video. Encouragement to take action and implement these strategies. Reminding viewers that monetizing a blog takes time and consistency, but it is achievable with dedication. Remember, building a successful income stream from your blog requires continuous effort, experimentation, and adapting to the evolving blogging landscape. Stay focused on providing value to your audience, and the monetization opportunities will follow.